Clean the back and the sides of your phone. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cutout over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the marked sticker, lift the hydrogel to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Before pasting the side panels, gently remove the top layer from a corner, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. While removing the top layer, paste the corners of the hydrogel while pushing the bubbles to the corners. Gently paste sides as well, checking into the placement while removing the top layer. Push out the bubbles towards the corners. Other bubbles will disappear within 24 hours. Remove the camera cut from the sheet. Remove the bottom layer and paste it on the camera bump. Place the camera cut over the phone while removing the bottom layer. Using the squeegee, gently paste out the corners of the camera area. The bubbles, shades, and lines will automatically go away within 24 hours.